Hey everybody, coming back with another video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope everyone is doing well. This video will just be pretty much me showing my appreciation to my husband slash manager. He's always on my back about winning in life and just leveling up and doing better. And sometimes I'm like, it can be really hard on me, about just everything. But the longer we've been together, the more I realize that it's actually a blessing and a good thing. So many people don't want you to win, or so many people, especially men, sometimes in relationships feel like as long as they're winning, you good, or like as long as I'm doing what I'm doing, that's the only thing that matters. But I can honestly say it's not like that in our relationship and not in our marriage. Anytime I want to do something, especially in a positive way, he's there rooting for me. And it's like whatever I speak of, he always says, let's make it happen. It's like I can't speak of anything unless I'm serious about it, because he'll say, let's work on that, or let's make that happen, let's do this, or let's do that. And I'm like, it was just a thought, Byron. And he'll say, no, if that's really what you want to do and that's something that you really feel strongly about, go forth with it. I'll help you push forth with it, but you have to show me that that's something that you really want to do first. As long as I see that you're serious about it, then I'll be serious about it. So once I got super serious about YouTube, it's like he just started really being on me about it. Like just the other day at 3 o'clock in the morning, I heard him and my baby up, and I'm like, what is he doing? And he came into the bedroom, and I said, can you try to get some rest once you put her to sleep? And he said, no, DeAndre, I'm up trying to upload the video and edit and do this and do that. It's like you don't understand how serious I am about you winning. This may be something small to you, but it's big to me, because I see the vision behind it. I see how far you can go with this. And not only do I see that, I see you helping other people. I see their comments. I see everything behind the videos that you post. And I know how much you've been through and the things that affect you on a daily basis. So to see you happy when you do these videos, it makes me happy, and it makes me want to see you continue to strive and go further. Anything I talk about, whether if it's going back to school or whatever it is, I can't really, like I said, talk about it unless I'm serious about it, because he'll say it's never too late to do that, it's never too late to do this. Whatever it is that you want to do, just make sure that it's something that you want to do, and not something that you just thinking about in a moment, or something that you've seen somebody else do and it's making you want to do it. It's okay for a person to be an inspiration to you, but don't ever compare your life to the next person, because what you've been through is not the same things that the next person might have gone through. So you can't look at your life like you're going nowhere, because sometimes I have my days when I feel like I should be doing this or I should have been doing that. And he'll say, how about you're exactly where you should be, or exactly where you need to be, so you can grow and be a better person. Now we have our baby, and she needs to see you thinking positive and doing positive things. Don't ever feel like where you are is in a bad place. God has blessed you to be in the position that you're in for a reason. So continue to fight, continue to do what you're doing. You're on the right path, and as long as I'm alive and able to work and do the things that I do, I'm gonna support you and be there for you as well. And like I said, I think that's such a blessing. No, we don't have a perfect relationship, we don't have a perfect marriage, and neither one of us are perfect people, but one thing I can honestly say is we truly root for each other, and we love to see other people succeeding and happy and doing things that they want to do. We have so many serious conversations about winning and the things that we've been through to get to where we are now. And I just feel like it's just an amazing thing to see each other grow. I never want to see him stagnant and not doing the things that he wants to do in life. He's in school to be a mechanical engineer. And I always tell him when he feels like giving up, no, whatever class you need to take or whatever class is next, go ahead and knock it out, because you're going to knock it out anyway. Every class he's taking, he's passed. So I'm like, I know that it gets hard. I know some days are long, but just do what you have to do to make it to the position that you need to be in, not just for myself and our child, but for you, because this is something that you want to do. Like, he's always serious and on me about my goals. I'm on him about his as well. This is something that he loves to do, y'all. When I tell y'all that he's always talking to me about cars and how to make things and how to break things down and rebuild them back up, and I'm like, I'm really not that interested in it, but he's kind of made me interested in certain things. He's surprised when I send him certain vehicles, and he'll say, that's nice, but I'm shocked to get this picture from you, or something like that. And I'm like, well, you've kind of made me a little bit interested in it. It's not that I feel like it's a guy thing. A lot of women are really into cars. I'm just not that woman. But when I do see a nice car, I'm like, yeah, that is real nice. But I'm on him because this is something that he loves. And I'm the type of woman that feel like when my man win, I win. And when he's happy, I'm happy. And by him being the head of our household, I uplift him in every way. And every chance I get, I try to uplift him. Because if he's down, then I'm down. And I feel like things aren't, at their best. But when we're good, everything is good. And now that we have a child, it's making her good. I want her to continue to be a happy baby. And know that, yeah, my parents may go through things, but overall they're happy. And they're doing things not just for themselves, but to better me and better my life. And that's why I motivate him so much, and that's why he motivates me so much, because we're just those kind of people. We're not just we're not the type of people that feel like, oh, if I win, then that's it, then I'm done. No, we're a team. So it's like when he wins, I win, and vice versa. And that's just how it's been from day one. I always told him my mother didn't raise me to be a gold digger. My mother has always taught me to be a go-getter and to always have my own. But it's definitely a blessing to have a man that doesn't mind dropping something in my account or surprising me with something. Now, don't get it twisted. I don't mind buying things for myself. I am a person that feels like, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Any chance I get, I'll pick up something here and there for myself, because I feel like it's nothing wrong with that. A lot of women feel like because they have a man that they can't do things for themselves, or if they do things for themselves, they have to tell the world that their man did it, not me. I'm not that kind of person. I will proudly say, I bought these earrings, I bought this bracelet, but if he does something for me, I'll probably say my husband did it for me. But I just want to let you know, husband, that I love you and I appreciate you, and your grind will never go unnoticed for us. I've watched you from 2015 until now, and I pray that God continue to keep us strong and healthy enough to keep striving and keep the faith and keep going. No matter what we go through, we'll go through it together. And I always pray over you even when you're asleep. Sometimes you don't even know I pray over you. And I pray that God bless you with all the desires of your heart, because you truly deserve it. I've watched you go hard with working overtime, with going to school and working a full-time job. I've watched you do so many things, not just for yourself, but for us. And tired as I don't know what, but will come home and say, do you need help with this? Do you need help with that? Did you want me to pick you up something to eat? Because I see that you're tired too, or I see that you don't feel good today. So I just appreciate all of that. Even when you think I don't, I appreciate you pushing me to do certain things that fear or whatever may set up on the inside of me that will make me feel relaxed and feel like I don't want to do that anymore, or that's not something that I want to do. You still pushed me and you challenged me to do things that I wouldn't necessarily do if it wasn't for you pushing me. First and foremost, God, but you pushing me and being in my ear all the time and telling me, you can do this, DeAndrea. Don't allow nothing and nobody to make you feel less than, or to make you feel like you can't do this or you can't do that. Whatever you set your mind to and serious about, you can do it. And I just appreciate that so much. And like I said, I pray that we continue to set a good example for our child and continue to be partners and work together and not against each other. No matter what may come our way, no matter what the devil may throw our way, no matter what outsiders may feel like or what anybody may feel like, I pray that nothing and nobody comes in between what we share, because what we share is truly special, especially for our age. A lot of people feel like marriage is a joke or it's just a fad, like it's something that people do for the time being because they look at the wedding part of it. But that's not my mindset. I'm in it for the long haul, and I know you are too, because you've expressed that to me, and not only have you expressed it, but you've shown it. Like I said, every day isn't going to be a perfect day when we have our conversations amongst each other, but I know that in the end it's all going to be worth it, and it all has been worth it. And I pray that we just keep pushing on no matter what, and no matter who has to say anything about whatever. You, me, and our child are a family, and I don't ever want that to be broken up. She loves her daddy, and I love my husband, and I know you love me, and I pray that everything just continue to flow naturally. We don't force anything. Like I've said in my last video, anything that I post or anything that I talk about is just raw and real. And that's one thing that I can honestly say about our marriage. A lot of people feel like because we don't talk about our problems, or because we don't talk about our marriage a whole lot, that we come off as perfect, or it's fake. Nothing about us or our marriage is fake. We just don't have to talk about it with everybody. It's not everybody's business, the things that we go through or the things that we deal with. As long as we talk to one another and God, that's the only thing that matters. We don't owe anybody an explanation when it comes to our marriage, our child, or anything else. Because at the end of the day, once you become married, after God, your husband and your wife comes after God. And whatever falls behind that is your decision. And I would say it's family after that. But before that, nothing comes before it but God. That's it. And that's what I stand on. And like I always say, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you continue to support me. And I thank you so much for my supporters thus far. And I thank you for watching since day one, and liking and commenting and sharing my videos on Facebook. I just appreciate the love so much from the bottom of my heart. It really means a lot to me. Check out my last video that I just recently made, and I hope that I'm able to come back and talk to you all soon. Interact with me in the comments. Let me know exactly what topic you want to hear me talk about next video. Bye. Talk to you soon.